everyone, and welcome to our second episode. If you haven't caught our first episode yet, we're already available on YouTube. Today's second podcast, we have a special guest with us, and that's Ankita, who was a psychologist and had a sudden career shift to becoming a makeup content creator, and she is one of the best. And we will be putting her link below at on the YouTube channel where you can follow her. So, hi Ankita.
Hi, Payal. Hello, hello. How are you?
Good, good. How are
Hi
you?
Ankita.
Hi, Asta. What's up?
All good, all good.
Good ही होना चाहिए life में.
Yeah. So, today's episode, we will be focusing on Ankita's life about what made her change from being a psychologist to a makeup content creator. So, Ankita, tell us,
बोलो.
when you wanted to become a psychologist, how did the thought of becoming a content creator come to you? What was your problem?
So let me start off by hello everyone. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया. हमेशा से पॉडकास्ट पे जाना था, लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करने थे कि किसको पकड़ो और सबको बताओ कि देखो ऐसा ऐसा हुआ, ऐसे ऐसे ये सीखा एंड एवरीथिंग. सो फाइनली थ्रू पायल एंड आस्था एंड ऑब्वियसली सौरभ एज वेल, जो फिलहाल तो नहीं है, लेकिन इन तीनों को बहुत ही ज्यादा थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी. So I'm all एकदम excited to share everything and now I'll answer जो तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन है उसको हम थोड़ा सा मैं पीछे लेके जाने वाली हूँ अपने पास्ट से पास्ट ऐसा होने वाला है. So you guys have to bear with
Sure.
me a little bit. It's going to
Yeah,
be
yeah.
थोड़ा सा.
Always ready to bear with you. Tell us.
Thank you. अभी तो ऑप्शन नहीं है तो सुनना ही पड़ेगा.
Take it away.
हाँ
Take it away.
है ना, चलो स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. So it started with I always wanted to become a fashion designer. This was बचपन से ही आर्ट में मुझे बड़ा शौक था. So I was like चलो, because I used to give this elementary exam. इंटरमीडिएट तो मैं क्लियर नहीं कर पाई, जो ड्राइंग एग्जाम्स होते थे, एलिमेंट्री एग्जाम दिया था. एंड बचपन से I used to draw, I used to love drawing and all that stuff. I used to go for these drawing classes and all. So I always had this thing, fashion में मुझे लगता था थोड़ा सेंस भी अच्छा बचपन से. I used to love fashion. And then I was like, you know what, I want to become a fashion designer. Now I come from a family जो engineers की family है. My dad being वो खुद एक mechanical
family.
my हाँ, my brother is a computer engineer. मेरे चाचा सब लोग, they are mostly engineers only, and then doctor and mostly engineers. So my dad being an engineer, he always wanted me to become an engineer, and he wanted me to become a civil engineer. अब
Okay.
मेरा मैथ का तो 36 का आंकड़ा, मुझे तो मैथ मतलब अगर कोई बोल दो तो I hate it. So, but yeah, I always
Yeah.
had this inclination towards art, and I was like, चलो यार करना है तो कुछ उसमें करना है. But and तभी see, our time was different. You know, I'm 80s का बच्चा, so our time was very different. And at that time, a lot of people were not into art or fashion labor,
Yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं. So as your typical Indian parent तो mentality रहती है कि नहीं, engineering कर लो, doctor बन जाओ या lawyer बन जाओ या whatever you want to do, maybe CA, anything. So I've always been that very different kid in my family कि जो अगर मैं हमेशा सबको बचपन से आते बोलते आ रही हूँ, like if everyone is going towards this right side, no, I will always go towards this left side. I can't follow the crowd. बचपन से I don't know why this has been, but yeah, this is what I am. I don't follow the crowd, and अभी शायद उसको blessing बोल लो या कुछ भी बोल लो. So then I was like, dad was like, no, we'll make her an engineer only. So I was like, okay. So whenever I used to say this, I used to start crying. Engineer नहीं बनना मुझे, engineer नहीं बनना. Engineer, because I used to fear math so much, and that was not my inclination. वो कभी इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं था.
Yeah.
So चलो let's आगे बढ़ते हैं. And then उसमें आ जाता है हमारा 10th का रिजल्ट. Decent अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए. Dad was like, अच्छा चलो, now she can become an engineer. हम उसको एक बगुबाई कॉलेज है विले पार्ले में, सो वहां पे एडमिशन सब करवा देंगे.
Yeah.
एंड लेकिन थोड़ा बात करके इन्वॉल्विंग माय अंकल एंड एवरीवन, लाइक शी डज नॉट वांट टू बिकम, यू नो. एंड लकीली देखो, यू नो, इट्स डेस्टिनी आल्सो. So one of my moms, I would say guru, उनकी जो बेटी थी ना, she was studying psychology at that time. So I was in school.
Oh.
एंड मैंने कभी साइकोलॉजी टर्म सुना नहीं था, मतलब ये सब्जेक्ट ही सुना नहीं था कि होता क्या है. So we kind of became like good friends, and she was doing her graduation. She was in her last year of psychology.
Okay.
So I was like, yeah, this sounds very interesting. So fashion design थोड़ा मैं भूल गई थी तब तक, and I was just entering my 10th at that time. So I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, you know what? I'll do one thing. Psychology sounds interesting. Human psychology, mind को पढ़ना है, experiments करने हैं.
Yeah.
I was like, let's do this now. So somehow I knew that I wanted to get into this field, but वो engineer भी उधर लटक रहा था. So then I had to convince my father. I was like, what to do now? But yeah, वो हो गया. Then my uncle spoke to my father. It's a good field and everything, you know. It's like, अच्छा ऐसा है. I was like, yeah. So then on the call, over the call only, I told my dad, Papa, I want to become a psychiatrist. Now psychologist तभी उसके लिए, psychiatrist के लिए you have to take up science.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
तो लेकिन साइकोलॉजी के लिए हम आर्ट्स ले सकते हैं. So he
Yeah.
was like, चलो. Then he was fully convinced, and engineering हट गया. I got into psychology. I was like, चलो interesting subject है. And I obviously फिर college किया, पढ़ाई की. I was very this thing, अच्छा clinical. So I've studied clinical psychology. So
That's amazing.
so then it was very interesting. Now, but then later on, once I started doing internship, I was still very charged up. I was like, हम industrial psychology में करूँगी, मैं counseling भी करूँगी, ये सब में ऐसे masters करके जाऊँगी. But then once I started going to these hospitals now for internship, that time I realized maybe this is not my cup of tea, but still it was zid रहती है that you can do it. Now, why I realized it's not my cup of tea? Because I just felt that I was too emotional and sensitive.
Okay.
So now I'm someone who gets very easily affected by energies, I would say. People का जो energy रहता है,
Yeah.
vibe
Yeah.
रहता है. Now, hospital का environment सबको suit नहीं करता है. You need to be really strong for that. So when I used to go for my internship also, and when I used to come back, my friends used to be like, you know, अरे तू बहुत dull हो जाती है. You know, you become very sad because obviously when you stay in that vibe na, so
Yeah.
it affects you, especially if you're very sensitive. So वो चीज हो गई. So I was like, नहीं, then चलो पढ़ाई भी हो गई, फिर मुझे एक job मिल गया. So I used to go to this hospital. I worked there, to be very honest, for 1.5 months only. ज़्यादा नहीं, because वहाँ पे then I realized it's not working out for me.
Right.
You know,
Okay. Yeah.
affecting
We can understand.
way too much. I was like, no.
Yeah.
And I was like, बाहर से I heard there is this course called hypnotherapy. Now again, पढ़ाई का मुझे ऐसे शौक रहा कि learn something different. And I was like, yeah, psychology करके चलो कुछ और भी करते हैं, you know, so it can add up. वही पता ना वो X factor नहीं, but something like, you know, कुछ add हो गया आपकी
More
degree को.
techniques. More
हाँ.
techniques. Yeah.
Yeah, hypnotherapy, psychology, it
Yeah.
goes really well. So I was like, there was this girl over there, she spoke about it. I was like, this is interesting. Then I learned hypnotherapy. So I learned there like proper hypnotherapy, past life regression and everything. So that was very interesting. So you're seeing the jump, the transition over है. So from जो पढ़ना था, क्या पढ़ाई किया, and then that was different. Then I studied, I loved this tarot, holistic healing a lot. I was like,
Oh.
अच्छा, tarot, angel, numerology and everything, handwriting analysis, these short courses I studied. And then comes the day, I was like, चलो hospital में तो मेरा नहीं हो पाया. I was like, I told my sir, so there was this sir, I told him, sir, I'm not coming from tomorrow onwards. And he thought I'm just joking. He was like, I'll still come. I'll go to the hospital. I was like, no, I'm not coming. But I stopped going to the hospital. I used to literally cry. I was like, this is not happening for me, you know? So I was like, I used to cry. Mom was a little upset. But at that time, dad was supportive. He's like, if you don't want to go, don't go. It's okay. But mom was like, what is this? But like, you have to be strong. I was like, नहीं हो पा रहा. But मैं खुद का कुछ कर लूंगी इसी फील्ड में. तभी ये एक थॉट प्रोसेस था.
But
हाँ, so I was like, चलो हॉस्पिटल जाना मैंने बंद कर दिया. वो 1.5 महीने की सैलरी कुछ नहीं मिला. And then I was like, कोई बात नहीं. I was like, I'll study hypnotherapy. तो मैंने hypnotherapy पढ़ ली. ये सब what I told you. Then I knew someone जिनका खुद का clinic है. He's actually a dermatologist. वो मेरे भाभी के, he's like my cousin mom. So I used to go to him for my skin and all. So I was like, chalo, let's see. So he gave me an offer. If you want, you can sit in my clinic for these days, for these many hours. And if you want to do something of your own, like your own clinic and all. I was like, okay, cool, I'll do that. Not a problem. Now I've studied so much thoda, so obviously, even if not, counseling, so I can do. So I was like,
Yeah.
chal, theek hai, because I was more interested in hypnotherapy, even though
Yeah.
these two are kind of correlated, not so much into psychology aspect, but hypnotherapy aspect,
Right,
So
right.
I was like, chalo, theek hai. I was in that clinic for 6 months. You won't believe, एक भी कोई नहीं आया. ना मेरा मार्केटिंग खराब था, मेरे को नहीं मालूम what it was. सब मैं वहां
Yeah.
पे जाके बैठी थी. So I was like, अच्छा चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Then that was kind of getting into me, and I was like, now it started affecting me again. Like, थोड़ा सा ना कोई ऐसा lagging वाला period आ गया. I was like, what am I doing? Because 6 months is sitting and marketing हो सकती है गलत, because I didn't associate myself to any hospital. I used to go, in fact, to my uncle's hospital also. जो मेरे चाचा है उनके hospital में जाके I used to sit and I was like, maybe koi aa jaye, but maybe it was not supposed to happen that way. So I was like,
Maybe.
chalo koi baat nahi. Then my mom told me, like, see, you love makeup, because college mein what I used to do, I used to go and buy these colorful eyeliners and pencils, and I used to buy lipsticks. So she knew that I always had this inclination towards art, makeup, fashion, and everything. So she was like, see, this is not working out for you. Okay, you gave your 6 months. एक आई थी बंदी, I remember very clearly. She came and she asked me, what do you do? Because she had seen the sign and all, na? So I was like,
Yeah.
board जो होता है अपने clinic के बाहर. I was like, see, this is what I do. This is what I've studied. She was so petrified, as in she wanted to speak a lot. Like, she wanted to open up to a counselor, but she had this worry that I might go and tell someone else. So निकलते निकलते she said, don't tell someone कि मैं आई थी, किसी को बताना मत, मैं आई थी, किसी को बताना मत, मैं भूल जाओ
Yeah.
मैं आई थी. So at that time, this I'm maybe talking about 2010-11 की बात है ये.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
maybe
that's
11-12 की बात है, 11-12 की बात है ये. So I was like, चलो ठीक है, not a problem. Then I was like, no, this is not, because see, I didn't go to any like hospital जहाँ पे clientele भी बना सकती थी. I didn't associate myself to any psychiatrist जिसके अंडर में work करके एक experience ले सकती हूँ. So if you ever want to do this, please एक experience लेने के लिए work under a psychiatrist, associate yourself to a hospital if you're thinking of pursuing psychology as your career. Okay? Which
Yeah.
I didn't do, maybe पता नहीं क्यों, but yeah, ऐसा हो गया. Maybe I was thinking that I'm okay with getting into this career, but somewhere I knew that I'm not even made for this career. हो सकता है, there is a possibility, right?
You always had that
I
don't-
thought inside you saying कि नहीं
हाँ.
होगा.
Exactly. So
Right.
if
Yeah.
given a chance, if people tell me today, why don't you get back to psychology? I'm like, no. If you tell me about hypnotherapy, I can still practice that. I have fun doing that. But maybe
Yeah.
psychology, nah. I know I was a good one, because I know when there were clients and patients coming in hospital, they have complimented me ki, you know how exactly to talk to people and get out things from their system. So you had that knack for it. So that made me very happy. I was like, chalo, hai aisa nahi aise baith ke karke. Because for every field, you can become a doctor, you can become a pilot, you can become a makeup artist, you can become a lawyer. You have to be good at it.
Right.
Yeah.
You have to be good at it. So ये
So-
सबकी बस की बात नहीं होती है. But there are like amazing psychologists. मेरे खुद के friends हैं जो college में थे. They're very good and they're pursuing this career. So
Yeah,
I know
just to
they're very
pick
good.
you are sitting in front of both the psychologists only. I'm a clinical
Huh?
psychologist doing PhD,
You're
and
a clinical. I didn't know that.
yeah, and
Very-
Payal has done MSc clinical
Huh.
psychology.
Yes, that she knows because we work together.
Yeah.
Telling.
Yeah.
Ah,
But main
So that-
see,
I
podcast
know.
is something we started because awareness of psychology is very less. But we both are part of this group only.
But it's okay.
Arey,
that, you know,
I
you
didn't know
feel
that.
Yeah. It's okay. It's
strongly
really
about
like a
psychology.
point.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really like you said it, and I was like, you don't know. I have to introduce myself also.
अरे
I will cut it out in the book.
nice. तो क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
हम लोग पॉडकास्ट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं.
बहुत important है, बातों को सुनना, बातों को बाहर निकालना, that is the biggest blessing, I think,
Absolutely.
very, very
It's
important.
like people really need to know कि भले ही हमने एक mental health psychology के related पे podcast we started. It's not always psychology is all roses, like it's not like a bed of roses and it's not green. A lot of people have actually taken up the course and even dropped it out because it became too overwhelming for them. I am one of that category for a while. Beach mein I was in content because of this. But I personally chose to get back into the field because I know it's up my sleeve. It's my forte. I know I can do this, so I went back.
But this is different. What you're doing is, it's not like you are going to the hospitals and doing their testings and everything, and you're meeting with them. See, that is a different thing. That
Right.
takes on to your mental health.
Yeah. This is just one part of our thing. This is like one part, but I take trainings. I do counseling personally. I take internships. I have worked in all the hospitals in Bombay. You can see I did Thane Mental Hospital में my first internship.
6 महीना internship की Thane Mental Hospital में.
गेट तक जाके आई हूँ.
That's why when you said
चीखने चिल्लाने की आवाज जो आती है ना गेट से ही, I turned around and I walked away. I'm like, no, it's not for me.
It is difficult for a person to be in that state, and I know when you were telling us now that it was difficult to, I know what you went through, and somehow I can relate to, because same environment I've come from. Yeah, obviously that I have dropped. I'm not going to government hospitals anymore. I can't. Private hospitals I still went, but I still do some consultation in private hospitals, but not public hospitals is not cup of my tea. Like the people, psychiatrists, even I can't deal with them. It's too much.
I salute them, like it's not easy. Imagine how much, and they also need counseling then, because they also don't do so much. They also need counseling. It's not easy.
You don't believe, like 4 or 5 hours ke OPD mein they used to see 30 to 40 people. One psychiatrist and one counselor used to see that many people, because they don't have space and they don't have time, and they have certain time limits. They used to sit and do it, and I used to feel like, how much are they getting from this? Like mentally इतना capacity खत्म हो जाता है ना कि after that they can't even sit and talk to you. They can't even explain what is happening. They just do their job and they just leave.
Yeah, absolutely. True. It affects you to another level only. So that's why, and then you saw, तो I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, चलो ये नहीं वो नहीं. Then mom ने बोल दिया चलो makeup सीख class. Okay, fair enough. I learned makeup. So I was like, chalo, then I learned makeup. And then luckily, after learning makeup, I got a job. So yeah, from a very good makeup company. So I was working as a makeup artist in that company. I was working for MAC. So MAC mein 1.5 years, I worked as a makeup artist. And then wahan pe bhi I was like, I'm done now. I'm like, baar wohi kya karne? Now I want to do something of my own. I think I have this kida, because when your parents are kind of independent in the way that they are business, like he's a businessman, my mom also does her own thing, so it wo blood mein rehta hai somewhere, कि नहीं खुद का कुछ करते ना, try करते, because you see your parents doing it ना, so you feel वो कीड़ा सब में रहता है. So I'm like, अच्छा चलो ठीक है, खुद का try. Then I'll start blogging. So I started blogging में कुछ conversation ही नहीं, कुछ comment ही नहीं कर रहा है. Then I was like, because when I used to work Mac, when I used to see, I used to swatch these lipsticks, and then at the time that YouTube ka thing was also happening, others were, making videos, so I could watch their videos. I was like, oh, this is also interesting. So I'm like that child, I'm like, ye bhi acha hai, wo bhi acha hai, ye bhi, so I want to try everything. So then I was like, chalo theek hai. I told my cousin कि चल like मेरे को YouTube channel open करके दे दे. So he made all those things जो भी करना था, he did it for me, and then I started with my YouTube channel. So, and also at the same time, since I am a makeup artist, I also do bridal makeup events and everything. Now that also makes me very happy. If I have to do someone's makeup, that makes me very, very. So एक तो makeup हो गया, एक तो YouTube हो गया. Then YouTube में मैंने 2 साल किया. Then I like kind of lost इतना पैसा उसमें कि I was not getting good returns. It's not that easy initially when you start with your own. Plus, if it's like a makeup channel, fashion channel, because you have to keep buying things, and makeup is expensive. ऐसा यार 2 साल हो गया कुछ नहीं हो रहा, फिर 2 साल का ब्रेक ही मिला। आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट कि ब्रेक इतना लंबा होगा। ऐसा चलना मे बी आई टेक अ वीक्स टाइम का ब्रेक एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ एंड देन आई बाउंस बैक। देन वो 1 हफ्ता इतना लंबा हो गया कि वो 2 साल हो गया।
Yeah.
Yeah, but then I worked on myself. Those 2 years were very important for me also because I worked on myself. You know, so I had gained weight. I used to never go beyond, like I would say, above, although beyond, although 57, 58. My 57 was like, maximum weight. Once ऐसे करते करते I didn't realize I touched 67.5, 10 kilos का सीधा drastic weight. So what is this? I put on so much weight because at the same time I was going a lot through, like we had our own issues, family issues, financial issues, so a lot of things were just adding up. As I know now, this is getting out of control. So then I started taking care of myself. I stopped doing YouTube completely because it was not, I was happy making videos. So you have to understand one more thing. When I started YouTube, I think maybe I was 28 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. So उस टाइम पे ना यू डोंट हैव दिस थिंग कि चलना मस्ती के लिए वीडियोस बनाते हैं, मनी का क्राइटेरिया आ जाता है।
Yeah.
नीड टू अर्न मनी, यू आर 28 नाउ, यू वर ऑलरेडी डूइंग अ जॉब, वो तो जॉब छोड़ ही दिया व्हिच वाज पेइंग मी रियली वेल, ठीक है। व्हेन यू वर्क इन लाइक ठीक है, दैट वाज वन ऑफ द कंपनीज दैट पेड द मोस्ट, I was very happy with the pay and everything. Suddenly you leave the job जहाँ पे आपको इतनी अच्छी पेमेंट मिल रही है, and then again you have to begin from the scratch.
Yeah.
And then you have to prove yourself. यहाँ पे freelancing भी ढंग की नहीं चल रही है, because freelancing में if there are upcoming makeup artists जो उनको शौक है, please contact बहुत important होता है. Your work is important, but contacts ना बहुत ज्यादा important होता है ये वाले फील्ड में, एटलीस्ट मेकअप की फील्ड में, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन मेकअप जो मेरे जैसा ही करते हैं, which is decent, good, they get so much work because of the contacts they have. Or maybe you can also put it like this कि maybe उनके डेस्टिनी में है. I never compare myself to people जिनका मेकअप बहुत ही अमेजिंग है, वहां तक पहुंचना ही नहीं है,
right?
बिकॉज योर स्किल जो है वो उतना है ही नहीं उस लेवल का, तो वो उस तरह का एक्सपेक्टेशन रखना है मुझे भी वैसा काम मिलेगा, वैसे स्किल्स नहीं है, लेकिन जो डिसेंट वाले स्किल्स है कि हाँ चलो ठीक है इतना तो आई एम डूइंग इट, एंड यू सी अदर पीपल, योर फेलो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट डूइंग द सेम वर्क and they're getting more and more work.
Yeah.
Then I feel destiny also plays an important role, which a lot of people will not agree with, but it plays. Your destiny with the right time, right place, right people, and everything matters a
Right.
lot. Yeah, so that is very, very true. And then I was like, content. Then again, I picked it up in 2020. वो भी हाँ ना, because everyone was asking me, like my friends and family, like कर लेना क्या होगा, कर ले. इंसानों को ना रिजल्ट्स का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट लगता है. यू नीड रिजल्ट्स. इट्स नॉट अबाउट it's about your journey also, but it's about your destination, it's about your results also. And when you are in this age bracket ना, क्या अभी 30 प्लस के हो गए, now what do? Your family will be like, बेटा करो जो तुमको करना है करो, but पैसा तो कमाना है ना. You have to support yourself.
That
ऐसे टाइम पास नहीं कर सकते. आई एम नॉट 21 और 20 और 19 कि हाँ चलो अभी बहुत टाइम है, पढ़ाई भी किया, कंटेंट भी बनाया. So that was, so when I started content also now, my main criteria was not following my passion. That was the secondary this thing. My first primary tha na, it was earning money. Because I used to hear acha YouTubers are earning money, they're making like good amount of money, these brand collaborations and everything. So मेरा तो सीधा मैं बोलती हूँ, I'm not going to sugarcoat it also. मैं तो पैसा कमाने के लिए मैंने YouTube start किया. Following passion was a different thing. Now then people will ask if makeup industry, why did you stop working at MAC? But because I just kind of got bored with that thing, doing the same thing again and again and again and again,
Right.
So I was like, I'm like, वही चीज तुम नहीं कर सकती. You have to go out, you have to show your makeup skills, you need to get better. So there were a lot of things. So yeah, and then YouTube, then 2020 Ganpati ke times I started like properly doing like uploading content and everything. 2021 I started getting, October I started getting collaborations. Usme bhi I kind of in that 1 year I was like, I'm not getting any collaborations, I'm putting out content, you know.
Yeah.
And then my friends were like, don't give up, don't give up. I was like, what don't give up? Look at my age. You know, I'm trying to do something. Okay, things are not working out only for me. Like, koi bhi depression mein jayega, yaar.
Yeah.
And see, plus I'm not getting married also. Your parents will also get confused by ho kya raha hai? She's not getting married. Okay, she's so stubborn. She wants to do something of her own. Things are not working out for you. And then you think, अरे भाई, God and universe should support people like us ना जो खुद के दम पे कुछ करना चाहते हैं. We need the most support. But जिनको कुछ करना नहीं, somehow things work out for them easily. You know?
ये भी है.
Usme bhi I'll tell you why it works out easily for them, because they don't want to do it. They put it on others. So others are working on them. ये subconsciously बोल या unconsciously works out for them. Now यहाँ पे मैं जिद लेके बैठी हुई हूँ, मैं ही करूँगी, मैं ही करूँ, तो universe like कर, now prove yourself.
Yeah.
You know, it's like that. The more I've seen, because this is a fact, people who are like least bothered, they don't want to do anything, their life is sorted. Because they have put out something like this in the universe.
Yeah.
So I keep wondering, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम यही करें कि हम अपने जिद पे हम अपने हिसाब से करना चाहते हैं. Because we are in that जोश ना proof करना है भाई. And I'm different from others.
Yeah.
So and then
I think it's with every entrepreneur, anyone who has that entrepreneurial drive. You know, कुछ करना है खुद का, दिखाना है, you know, skills दिखाना है, like, you know, I want to show that leadership, I want to own something of my own so that I'm recognized, kind of. वो सबको, anyone who has that kind of an entrepreneurial drive, you know, drives them through it, you know, to work day and night to make sure this happens. And then just some people are like, हाँ हो गया, मतलब, like, you know, they just got it right in a silver platter for them, and you're like, how the hell are you doing that?
Yeah. And I told you, I used to figure out, मैंने बोला कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, something is wrong over here, you know. But I to believe in everything. I tell people, I believe in good, I believe in bad, I believe in luck, I believe in maybe उसके opposite जो भी होगा, I believe in karma, I believe in numerology, astrology, everything. I believe in evil. You know, so every energy, जो तुम बोलो, I will never say ये तो होता ही नहीं है, सब होता है. Now कौन से टाइम पे कौन सी चीज तुम्हारे लिए काम कर गई ना, that is important. I tell people, see, I have different sources of income. पैसा आते रहना चाहिए, वो कहीं से भी है. Till the time you're not harming yourself, you're not harming anyone for your own greed or lust, it's okay. I have different sources of income. जितना multi-talented, good for you. I tell my mom one thing. इतना तो पक्का है, I will not die hungry. कुछ ना कुछ तो I know. I'm good at this, I'm good at that, I can do this.
Yeah.
You know, so jack of all trades जो बोलते हैं ना, बड़ा example मेरा है.
The all-rounder.
I'm तो open. वड़ा पाव का stall खोलना है, I'll open that also. मेरे को उसमें भी शर्म नहीं है. चाय, वड़ा पाव stall, I am all उधर. Like चलो, and this is my dream also. I'm like चलो वड़ा पाव का stall खोलते चाय. अरे you've come here to live your life. You know? So वो बंद में नहीं हूँ actually. So yeah, and then lies wise who I met Payal and everything, you know. So lies now I didn't even know I'm good at lives. मेरे को तो ये मेरा talent पता ही नहीं था. ठीक है. I'm good at it.
Wow.
You know, so I started enjoying that also. So yeah, then life will surprise you. So enjoy. So before we go ahead, so this is what my father had told me when I told him that, you know, I want to become a psychiatrist, psychologist and all that stuff. So then he told me, beta, for that you need to be really strong, practical, you know, you're way too emotional for it. So तभी तो जोश होता है सब बच्चों में, no, I can do it, हो गया, कल्याणी हो गया. So he was right at that time. He knew it. She can't do it. She's too emotional for it. But नहीं, engineering लेकर भी बाकी कुछ भी चलेगा, बस engineer मत बताओ मुझे. अब तक अगर मैं engineering करती थी, I would have been clearing the first exam only of my first year. I'm least interested in engineering. So yeah.
Wow. I can totally understand that. It's a lot, man. It's a lot when you have to counsel, and you know, it takes a lot on your, it takes a huge toll on your mental health for a lot of people. I know this because it happened with me also when I was working with Tata through an NGO. A very good opportunity. I'm not saying no, it was a beautiful opportunity, but I drained out very easily from there because I used to work with cancer patients for the first 6 months right after passing out from Amity. 6 महीने कैंसर पेशेंट्स के साथ लाइक एंटर होते होते इतना बड़ा वो ये हो गया लाइक directly. So it wasn't even an internship, it was a proper job. I was like all happy about it, but then as time went, it became very difficult for me too. And that's why I switched to content.
Got it.
So I get it.
That thing always happens with me. What I do is just take a break and go for 2 days ka session or 3 days ka session with somebody. It's more easier for me to deal with that way.
Yeah. You need therapists.
Because otherwise,
you need therapists, man.
Yeah, after like 6-8 months, it gets to my limits also. I really can't deal with it. Then I take last week only, it was too much for me. And last week I took a 2 days ka break. I went to my mentor. I sat with him and I discussed the problems with him and whatever the therapy, different types of techniques, learning also. And with that also that I want to get myself also out. So I do that with him every 6-8 months. I go to him or I go to any friend of mine or colleague of mine who is doing practice and just talk to them about different kind of things that I want to. Personal things also included, not just professional things, but yeah, where do I go and discuss my personal things too?
Okay.
Yeah. But coming, since that, because of all the skills you learned, that comes to my next question for you is that even though it's come from a background of psychology, whether even when you liked it, then of course, like we've all grasped some skills from it, which make us use it even on our daily, on a daily basis, like on our life on a daily basis. So when you entered content creating, did you think that psychology helped you then, like how to target your audience about your content, about makeup, how to talk to them, how to approach them online? Do you think psychology helped you there?
So उसमें क्या हो जाता है कि now when you talk about human psychology and makeup and fashion, now I think on everyday basis ना अपना psychology तो चलता ही है समझने के लिए, ठीक है? And मेरा simple रहा है, the way I am, I've always shown myself the way I am, portray वैसे ही किया है.
True.
I don't play mind games. मेरे को वो होता भी नहीं है. And you can see it from my face also. I'm very this like जो है दिल में वो चेहरे पे दिख के आ जाता है. गुस्सा है तो है, प्यार है तो प्यार. So to understand my audience, the only thing is be simple. Relate to your audience in a way that अच्छा ठीक है. Be grounded, ठीक है. People love who are grounded. People love those people who are grounded or the content creators who are grounded.
Yeah.
But I didn't use it कि हाँ मैं ऐसा करूंगी तो ऐसा होगा and then my audience will get connected. नहीं, वैसा नहीं. Now if they like your content, if they like your personality, because after a while what happens ना, एक तो you can't fake it.
Yeah.
Your personality ना जो है वो दिख के आती है. Okay, so just be true to yourself, whoever you are, however you are, and relate to your audience in a way that be grounded. There is no need to show that attitude, that ego. You see, people don't enjoy those kind of people. Very few will enjoy those kind of people. लेकिन हाँ, makeup में, fashion में, if I'm creating like a collection maybe, if I have my own makeup brand or if I have my own fashion brand, then psychology के हिसाब से I can do something. I can create my own collection कि उसका theme क्या है. You see? वैसा हो जाता है. Got it? What I'm trying to say? Like this is my theme. Yeah. So I've created that collection. But ऐसे इतना YouTube पे नहीं. Just the way I said, very simple. Just be the way you are and the way you are.
Yeah. I am thinking of a question that the time that you were saying you were about to give up before your first sponsors, first brand for collaboration. What happened at that time when you were about to give up and suddenly, you were getting the call for collaboration? What happened? Like how the shift that you took? Why didn't you give up? Like what was your thoughts at that time?
I was on the verge of I was like, I'm done. You're understanding what I'm trying to, I'm done. I'm like, why? मैंने तो बहुत ही सिंसियरिटी बता दी, बिकॉज वन नेचर मेरा इतना है, if I take up some work now, I will give my 100%. हाँ, again, if you ask me my YouTube में what I have done,
Yeah.
when I took up all the work and everything, ठीक है, I finished what I started, ठीक है. So that strength वो है, वो दिमाग में कि नहीं भैया जो काम लिया है वो खत्म करना है. Okay, now give up की बात क्या आ जाती है, जब तुमको पता है कि you've given your 100% and you again you're true to yourself, you know. तो क्या होता है, things are not working out in your favor, what to do. So I have this blogger, हमारा एक group है, so obviously you know हम भी बात करते हैं and everything. So I used to tell them also, I stopped replying to mails. This I'm talking about when I started uploading videos again. So I
Okay.
told them, I'm done यार, I'm done. I'm like, I'm doing all this, कोई collaborations नहीं, कुछ मेल्स आते हैं, बाटा collaborations तो करना ही नहीं है, बाटा collaboration से मेरा घर नहीं चलने वाले, मेरे bills pay नहीं होने वाले. So they were like, Ankita, don't give up, wait. So my friends were there, my family, they're like, don't give up. So I was like, okay, but I had somehow given up. I was like, I can't do this anymore.
Yeah.
इतना टेस्ट किसी का भी नहीं होना चाहिए, इतना पेशेंस किसी का टेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, you know, especially when you're being true to yourself and true to your work, true to your commitments. So like I told, मेरा नेचर है, किया काम, लिया ना काम, अब इसको कंप्लीट ही करना है. नहीं लिया ना काम तो अब मन नहीं है ना, मैं कभी भी नहीं, टच भी नहीं करूंगी. So I'm that kind of a person. Let it be my work, let it be my friendship, relationship, anything. If I'm giving my 100%, you will know that I'm giving my 100%. And if I'm not giving my 100%, I'm so transparent with myself and honest कि मेरे को पता I'm not giving 100%. When I'm being fake, when I'm being rude, you know, ज़्यादा बोल दिया, कम बोल दिया, everything वो हमेशा check होता रहता है.
Yeah.
So it was not easy, but I think my friends didn't let me give up. They were the ones like, wait, something will happen, some good opportunity will come. See, इंसान ना hope, उसके लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. होप ना, मेरी तो जिंदगी पूरी होप पे ही है, मेरी तो पूरी जिंदगी होप पे है कि ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा, you know. तब तक ऊपर हुआ नहीं हुआ भी को ऊपर, I don't know about that. लेकिन जिंदगी निकल गई उसमें. तो होप ना इंसान के लिए बहुत लाइट towards the end of the tunnel. You always want to see that light because we think there is a light towards the end of the tunnel. है कि नहीं, विश्वास करना है. So only my friends, I would say, because I remember and I remember I was just lying down मेरे bed पर and I was like, I'm done. And I was crying and I was like, I'm done, I can't do this. Then one of my friends, she was getting these collaborations. So she's like, Ankita, I'm forwarding your channel. ठीक है, like ठीक है, मुझे भी अपने साइड से collaboration तब तक आ गया. Things started working अपने आप. And I don't know how. That day I was on, and I still remember so vividly कि मैं बेड पर थी. My friend had shared my number. मेरा पहला collaboration उस साल का हुआ. And then back to back collaborations. How it worked out, I have no clue. एक मेरे साइड से अपने ही थ्रू collaboration आ गया and मेरे friend के साइड से अपने थ्रू collaboration. So when
she was pretty much like a spark which needed to be like ignited into wildfire for you to start your career into content creating.
हाँ, मतलब तो collaborations, मैं अपना तो content बना ही रही थी ना यार. See, Google AdSense क्या पे करता है? Hardly कुछ पे करता है. What these creators do, they earn through collaborations.
Yeah.
Right.
तो ब्रेड एंड बटर ना हमारी कोलैबोरेशंस, ये पेड कोलैबोरेशंस. गूगल एडसेंस आपको हार्डली पे करता है अनलेस अगर आपके मिलियंस में व्यूज है, एकदम लाखों में व्यूज है, देन दैट्स अ डिफरेंट बॉलगेम. But till then we are surviving in collaborations and many a times even your audience will get irritated कि यार इतने पेड collaborations. देखो हर बार ना हमको भी पेड collaborations करने का कोई शौक नहीं, because we have to follow a certain script also. We also get tired of that. You know, it is mentally very, very taxing. Believe me when I say this. But I don't have an option. I have to do for my own safety, for my own bread butter. मेरे को कोई आके खिलाने वाला नहीं, कोई मेरे नाम पे, you know, they're not going to do savings and all that for me. You know, अगर Google AdSense मुझे भी बहुत ऐसे लाखों में पे करे तो मेरे को भी इतने collaborations करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah.
And then Livescar thing started with a different agency for a different app. then Amazon Lives मैंने काफी किए हैं. So
That's amazing, yeah.
people who know me, मेरी तबीयत खराब भी है पर कमिटमेंट है दवाई लेके खत्म करो.
Yeah.
I've given my word, I have to finish this, मतलब I have to finish this. I don't care कि मेरी तबीयत कैसी भी है. So yeah, इंसान गिव अप कर देता है यार. ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं जो गिव अप नहीं करता. बट इफ यू गेट like one person who tells you not to give up,
Yeah.
like acha, and we like to hear that thing. He's asking me not to give up, or she's asking me not to give up. We like that motivation.
Because it's
But
motivation
everyone
for you to, like, to keep going. You need that reassurance from someone ki baba, like, to stop from going through that of giving up.
Yeah.
This is thoda sa off topic, but
No
like I
problem.
told you, business hai na khoon. So I remember why I always wanted also to become like a businesswoman, I'll tell you, because my dad, like I told you, he's a businessman, and I have this very clear image of my dad, like he's sitting on that sofa, and then वो call पे तभी क्या अपने landline होते थे ना, so call पे, and I think I'm not really sure, but इसका ये sure नहीं, he was smoking cigarette. I don't smoke cigarettes and all that, but I think वो कर रहे थे, and वो लेस बांध रहे थे अपने जूते के. I found it so stylish and motivating. and बनना है तो ऐसे बनना. वो image ना दिमाग में छप गई है. Like you have children have certain images, and you're on the call and you tying his shoes एकदम style में and all that. And like ये हुई ना बात, इसको बोलते हैं बात. So I think like business का भी.
Yeah.
Yeah, then completely. And I was going to ask you this thing also, like it became really toxic for a lot of people to understand that, they do bad comments about how much paid promotion you are going to do, what is this, and but the understanding behind it's a business. Ultimately, at the end of the day, it's a business that they also need to understand how you are making money. So that's again this podcast, we want people to know that it is important. If you get into business someday, like even when we started the podcast, we know that collaboration का कभी ना कभी तो सोचना पड़ेगा. And अभी नहीं, because अभी we can manage.
Sorry, बोलो.
नहीं, I said अभी we can manage, but someday we have to think about it, and it's ultimately going to be a part of a business.
Yeah, and Asta, I'll tell you, मैं अपना खुद का ही बताती हूँ ना, दूसरों का भी क्या example. Now when I was not getting collaborations na, and I was other people are getting collaborations, other content creators, and back to back that doing a lot of skincare collaborations. आज ये face wash अच्छा है, next week दूसरा face wash अच्छा होगा. ठीक है? और मेरे को तो collaborations मिल नहीं रहे थे. मैंने बोला ले, लोग इनको follow कर रहे हैं. ये क्या, आज ये फेस वॉश पसंद आया, कल ये फेस वॉश पसंद आया. पेड कितने कोलैबोरेशंस कर रहे हैं. लेकिन when the same thing started happening with me, now I am justifying it.
Yeah.
See, I'm not going to say अरे भाई अभी ऐसे नहीं भाई, वो तुम जब तक वो शूज में नहीं हो ना, you will not understand. मैं खुद एक ऑडियंस रह चुकी हूँ, मैं आज भी एक ऑडियंस हूँ, और मैं बोल भी चुकी हूँ इतने पेड कोलैबोरेशन ऐसे कि हर इतने वीक में नया फेस वॉश पसंद आता है. बट डूड, वो भी वही काम करे, और आज मैं उस चीज को क्यों समझ पाई, बिकॉज आई एम इन देयर शूज. लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, झूठ तो मैं मेरे को नहीं बोलने का ये है. ठीक है, नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड. पैसा तो मुझे भी कमाना है. आई वांट टू ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड, आई वांट टू बाय दीज बैग्स, मे बी आई लव बैग्स, आई तो लव एवरीथिंग. आई टेल, आई तो लव फूड, स्लीप, एवरीथिंग, so I have to fulfill my own dreams. And बचपन से क्या रहा ना, I would love to have a friend and everyone who can spend, or partner who can spend money on me. But बचपन से I tell very, maybe I don't know, proudly or whatever, my mom told me one thing: whatever you want to buy, whatever, you should be capable for it. किसी के सामने से हाथ नहीं फैलाना है कि मुझे पैसा दो क्योंकि मुझे खरीदना है. तेरी इच्छाएं है ना, महंगी इच्छाएं है ना, तो तू पूरी करना. Why you want to put that pressure on your partner's shoulder कि भाई अब तू मेरी इच्छा पूरी कर, वो गलत है. So she was very clear that whatever you want to buy, you will buy with your own money. If you get like a part of supremely rich and who's ready to spend it on you, that's a different case. But never, she used to make this as a हाथ का action. पैसा नहीं, मांगना नहीं, पैसा खुद का कमा. तो बचपन से इंस्टिल था.
That's
यू नो भाई
amazing.
पैसा कमाना है, पैसा कमाना, खुद के खर्चे खुद करने, पार्टनर आप पे खर्चा करे अलग बात है. That's why I tell today's generation also, do not leave your partners because that guy or maybe girl in that case does not have money. What kind of love is this?
Yeah.
I don't understand. Are you so incapable that you can't fund your own खुद का जो भी है shopping and all that?
Yeah.
You are earning nothing, or maybe you'll earn 10,000 rupees. But you want a partner who stays in a bungalow or has a 4-bedroom flat or has this Mercedes or some other car, okay, ठीक है, and you want to go and marry that person. You're so lazy or what? So मेरे दिमाग में it was like भाई खुद का पैसा खुद कमाओ, मिल गया तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन तो that also was in my blood ना, hard work जो बोलते हैं ना, सब घुसा हुआ है. I'll give you one simple, I know थोड़ा सा लंबा हो रहा है ये, I think ये
नहीं,
पूरी
नहीं.
रात चलेगा.
नहीं,
No, no, no.
but you're right. We are really interested in listening to what you want to say.
But since I've gotten an opportunity, and I always wanted to talk about my grandmother, always, which is my mom's mom.
Hmm.
And I take inspiration from her as well. So my mom till date, he takes classes, she's a singer, तो वो ऐसे classes लेती है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
My dad का तो you know, मेरा तो you know. Now my नानी का, what I really appreciated about her, that उनको जरूरत नहीं थी. लेकिन obviously she had seen like bad times and everything, so she used to sell पापड़. कहाँ पर? ट्रेन में. तो
Okay.
she used to sell पापड़ मरते दम तक. I think she passed away when she was, I think, 74. 3 दिन पहले तक she passed away due to heart attack. वो पापड़ बेचती थी. She said, I will earn my own money. मुझे अपने बच्चों के सामने हाथ नहीं फैलाना है. Sorry, ऐसा नहीं था कि no one was ready to help her. She used to stay with my uncle. My mom was there. I have my 2 uncles. One passed away. लेकिन तभी everyone was there when she was there. So one of my uncle passed away after her death. After 4 years. Anyway. So why I'm telling you, see my nani, 3 दिन पहले तक उनके लिए कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं था. She used to go to this गुलेश्वर, पापड़ का पैक्स बनाती थी, लिज्जत पापड़ बेचती थी, ठीक है? And she used to sell it in the train. She used to sit there. सब लोग उनको जानते थे. आजी, मतलब मराठी में हम नानी बोलते हैं. Yeah, चाची, you know, she's like, you know, she comes from a good family, and but this is her, this thing. So people used to buy. My mom used to buy papad from her. If she wants to give it free, मैं ठीक है. My mom used to buy. So why I'm saying this, कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता है. जब मेरी नानी ने किया है, now you tell me वो blood में नहीं रहेगा?
True, रहेगा.
Of course.
है ना? What your बुजुर्ग ने किया है, उनको कोई शर्म नहीं थी ना, मैं बेचूंगी पापड़, मेरे को क्या है, मैं बेचूंगी. मैं आजी सब उनको every day she used to go. I think once a week maybe she used to not go, but almost every day from morning till evening. ट्रेन के टाइमिंग भी फिक्स होते थे, you know. जरूरत ही नहीं थी पैसा. अभी लोग पूछेंगे भी, जब जरूरत नहीं थी तो भी कमाए, शायद बच्चे ख्याल नहीं रखते होंगे इसलिए कमाती होगी. People have this mentality.
True.
Right.
A lot of people say that.
Yeah, नहीं कितना बोला, कितना. And उनका फिक्स था. Whenever she used to come हमारे घर पे, she used to give me 50 rupees. She used to give my brother 50 rupees. Like this is what it is. But this is the blood, you know. नहीं, भाई काम करना, बुरा वक्त देखा है. बुरा वक्त कभी भी आ सकता है. बुरा वक्त पूछ के नहीं आता है. You know, and you can't be lazy.
Mm-hmm.
So I know अपना podcast is something, लेकिन I just want to give these examples. Don't be a lazy bum. Please don't be a lazy bum.
Yeah. So this podcast is about all this, na? To tell people what has really helped you, and maybe it can help them also in some way to motivate themselves or whatever they feel like.
Yeah. And I'm telling you, my dad has seen the worst financial downfall.
Okay.
ऐसा कि don't ask. We never expected.
Yeah.
But again, किसी से कुछ सीखना है. My father's willpower. Oh my God. उनका willpower का तो यही नहीं है. You know, so I've seen so many, like my mom also, very hardworking, my brother, everyone in my family, you know. So you take inspiration from your own people. Forget about taking inspiration from बाहर से. तुम्हारे खुद की फैमिली में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनसे तुम इंस्पायर हो सकते हो.
True.
You know, and then when you're surrounded with such people, You tell me, how will you not be inspired?
Yeah.
Of course.
So अगेन यहाँ पे गिव अप जो आप पूछ रहे थे ना आस्था, गिव अप कैसे नहीं किया, मे बी वो ब्लड में, तो आई काइंड ऑफ गिव अप आल्सो, नॉट गोइंग टू लाई, यू नो,
Yeah.
बट स्टिल वो सुनना चाहते ना, डोंट गिव अप, डोंट गिव अप, यू नो,
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
बट यू डोंट वांट टू गिव अप आल्सो. सो
Yeah.
ये ना थोड़ा
Yeah.
वो खून में होता है सब. So when you see, I mean,
Right.
the biggest example is my father, my mother, and my grandmother. Big time.
They're your biggest, like your role models basically to be where you are right now.
अरे यार, जिन पैसे कमाने की जरूरत पर जो जिद होती है ना, जिद, what takes your head in life? Your zid, what else?
Yeah, yeah, nothing else takes
Like
you.
what you said ना a while ago, Payal, कि your stubbornness, your zid जो होती नहीं भाई, करना ही है.
Hmm.
And plus when you have no other option, तुम जब पानी में डूब रहे हो, तुमको जीना है, इसलिए तो तुम हाथ पैर मार रहे हो ना, तुमको जीना है, तुमने हाथ पैर मारा, तुमको ऊपर आना है लाइफ में, वरना मैं हाथ पैर क्यों मारूं, मैं तो डूब ही जाऊं. There have been times also like, what do I do of my life? I've had those kind of thoughts also, not going to deny it. I've had those kind of thoughts. But
Yeah.
somehow I think just, you know, वक्त, अगर वो वक्त निकल गया ना, if you've come over here now where you thought of like, I am done with my life only,
Hmm.
you know, you're done with your life and something is working right for you now. If you cross this ना, ये line एक बार cross हो गया ना, you will win in life. You will win in life. If you cross that thought ना, उसके पास सिर्फ जीत ही जीत है. अब वो सबके लिए जीत जो है, सक्सेस जो है, सबके लिए डेफिनेशन अलग है. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी द सेम फॉर एवरीवन.
Mm-hmm.
But you make your personality strong. You make your head strong. Don't become emotionally strong. I was a very sensitive child, and now I'm becoming slowly strong. And I can see the difference. Why it is important to be unbiased. Why it is important to be emotionally strong and be true to yourself again. And I think a lot of people, again, coming back to your question, a lot of audience now, how they connected with me was because they could see that kind of honesty. See, I'm going to be honest, when I do a lot of paid collaborations, luckily there are a lot of products I really like.
Mhm.
You know? कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं आपको नहीं पसंद है, बट यू कांट डू एनीथिंग, आपको ब्रांड उसमें ना फंसा देता है, यू नो. बट पीपल सी दैट ऑथेंटिसिटी, एंड देयर हैव बीन टाइम्स, लाइक सो मेनी टाइम्स, लोग, अरे अंकिता ये प्रोडक्ट कैसा है, वो प्रोडक्ट कैसा है. सो व्हेन आई गिव माय ओन रिकमेंडेशंस आल्सो, आई नो कि, एंड प्लस कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का बैकग्राउंड, राइट, सो मेनी स्किन केयर ब्रांड्स, यू नो, एक ही झटके में आपको पता चल जाता है कि ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है कि नहीं अच्छा है. So recommendations के लिए people ask me. So that authenticity, psychology, authenticity, everything. Like, I hope I'm making some sense. Huh? I don't know.
Yeah.
No, of
lot of sense. Lot of sense. I have one little bit of questions regarding, like, if you're talking about mental health. Is there a part where therapy, you indulged in therapy, or therapy played some kind of a role? I have no idea if you have ever been to a session or not. But yeah, is there a part where it helped you in some way?
Yeah, so I've never been to a counselor or a therapist. Lekin I always tell people, when I started learning hypnotherapy, I started seeing changes in myself. You know, like I said, I was a very timid, very shy kind of a person. My friends, तो जो मेरे lives देखते हो shock में चले जाते हैं. ये तू है. They can't believe, क्या you were like that. तो क्या होता था, when it was hypnotherapy that helped me so much, okay, because at that time we used to practice on each other, you're studying and everything, you're talking with your sirs or madams or anyone, so तुमको समझाते हैं. So that actually, then मैंने छोटा सा एक NLP का short course किया था मेरे सर के थ्रू. So I've been there. I didn't go to any particular therapist, लेकिन hypnotherapy helped me a lot.
These training programs do help.
हाँ, yeah, and it's kind of opening up. सारी चीजें थोड़ी धीरे open up हो रही. But YouTube helped me a lot opening up में, बात करने के इसमें. Lives even more. अभी तो मैं इतना बोलती हूँ, like people like, अरे चपर, you know how much you talk, you know. So when you get into all these things, you're like, "Arey, haan, this helped me, that helped me," you know. So yeah, hypnotherapy to 110. COVID का time था, so I started वो drawing का आता है ना, where you just color books, so coloring books.
Yeah.
I used to make this thing. I used to just scribble with colors just to let my emotions out. Because COVID जब hit हुआ तभी I was very anxious. I was like, what is this? I have to work, I have to earn money, I have to earn again that I have to earn money. So my whole life now the main criteria, I cannot rest because I feel I have to earn money. पैसा नहीं है कि पैसा नहीं है और पेरेंट्स विल नॉट गिव यू मनी. अब पैसा कम और 100 बात की एक बात, लेट इट बी एनीवन इन योर लाइफ, लेट इट बी योर फैमिली, लेट इट बी योर फ्रेंड्स, कोई भी या relatives, so you know how they are, but it's all about earning money. What have you made of yourself? How much money do you earn? Everything boils down to money. And then I started also realizing maybe I'm too much looking for that validation. You see? Somewhere I felt maybe I'm looking for that validation. अगर पैसा नहीं कमाया ना, इज्जत नहीं मिलेगी. क्योंकि देखा है ना, नहीं होता है. पैसा नहीं होता ना, सच में इज्जत नहीं होती. जो लोग बोलते हैं ना, वो सच है. जब आप पैसा कमाते हो तब आपकी इज्जत होती है. So and I know you're not valuing me, you're valuing the money that's coming.
Yeah.
You know? If you had to value me, you would have valued me long time ago. मुझे validation की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Why do you think that parents always look for a really nice rich boy or a rich family? Why do you think that? Have you thought about
because
it?
They want their child to be valued as well because they're into that rich family.
No, that is there. But they want कि लोग भी उनको value करे. You want your daughter to be safe. Today, if I have a daughter, I want कि हाँ भाई मेरी बेटी किसी घर में जा रही है, उसको कोई तकलीफ ना हो, उसके पास पैसे फलाना ढिमकाना. But the guy is good. If he does not have enough money, no, your family will be very unhappy. अगर कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, what your parents tell you the first thing, हमारी नाक, खुद के बारे में नहीं सोचा, हमारे बारे में तो सोचते हैं, हमारी नाक. Your parents' concern is not at all wrong. तुम्हारी प्रायोरिटी नंबर 1 है, बट उसके नीचे ना उनका एक सेल्फिश मोटिव भी है. कि भाई आज हमारी समाज में देखो इज्जत. I'll give you one example. My friend, like a good friend, she got married and her father, he came and he told me, see, I found such a good guy for him, no? I found a doctor for her. I mean, I found such a good person for her. I found a doctor. And I didn't understand तुमको किस बात की खुशी हो रही है, कि तुमको अपने पे ये देना है, होता ना कि अरे वाह शाबाशी, I found a doctor for my daughter.
Yeah.
You're feeling proud of that. He's a good guy. That is a secondary thing. But that because your parents also need validation कि देखो भैया हमने अपने बच्चों का ख्याल इतना अच्छे तरीके से रखा है कि हमने फलाना ढिमकाना लड़का ढूंढा है. You see? And that's what again I was telling. If your daughter is earning 10,000, why are you looking for a guy? Feminism की बात मत करो ना. Then the feminist talks का दे. I will earn 10,000 rupees. I want my husband to earn 1,00,000. Why?
Because ज़्यादा वो
let them also earn 10,000. Equality चाहिए ना. Let's talk about equality. Then people will be like, वो अपना घर बार छोड़ के अपने फैमिली में जा रही है उसका ख्याल रखने के लिए. Then I have this thing. Then why didn't you make your daughter capable?
Yeah. Just a few last question I can say, Ankita. I feel so. I don't want to close it so early, but still there are some.
नहीं. You have to, otherwise I told you I will go on and on.
Just that, what kind of a message do you think we should give out to everyone about mental health, about how they should ask for help, or something related to what is the main initiative in life? We want to give awareness about what is important, like how you studied psychology and hypnosis that supported you. But what if all the people don't have that? What is your suggestion, or what is your...
Actually, let me tell you one more thing. I missed out on a very important point yahi related to your question only.
Yeah.
When I was studying psychology again, I was doing my graduation. I used to go to this bookstore और पता नहीं ओशो के books, hypnotherapy के पहले भी.
Yeah.
ओशो के there was this ओशो का store था, and I had heard थोड़ा बहुत ओशो के बारे में, and I was very intrigued to read books about him. So I have a few books now also, and I started going through his books.
Yeah.
And that actually started वहां से. Got it? Hypnotherapy तो मेरे post graduation के बाद में था. But the first thing was Osho. So I started reading Osho ke books and I started understanding. So that also helped me. Osho also helped me in understanding. Then obviously I was into meditation. I'm still into like जब भी time मिला. सबसे ज्यादा मैंने कोविड के टाइम पे किया हुआ है. लेकिन अपने चुपचाप बैठो ये वो. I will sit खुद से. I like to go for walk. I love walking. दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है, walk पे चले जाओ. ठीक है. I will walk. I will exercise. Recently I've started doing yoga. अभी योगा सीख रही हूँ मैं. प्रेयर तो होता ही अपना. अगर मंदिर के सामने भी उस दिन नहीं बैठ पाए, मन में तो चलता रहता है. I have my few things which I do पहले से. So obviously my prayer, Osho, psychology पढ़ाई तो है ही. Then hypnotherapy, then meditation which I used to always do. Walk. And then what else? Yoga, abhi jo yoga started. So all these things. And then the best therapy, I'll tell you, when you talk to your friend.
True.
The bestest therapy.
Yeah.
अगर आपका कोई अच्छा दोस्त है ना, and उसको आपकी पड़ी है ना, so I have a friend of mine, कभी भी ऐसा low feel हुआ, I will talk to her. So friends are very important. So have good ones. उसमें quantity में मत जाओ. I have again very restricted number. I always tell, sometimes I feel my life is literally pre-planned. When I went into college, I was like, मैं इतने सारे दोस्त बनाऊंगी कि pictures में देखते हो, आप सुनते हो, आपके बड़े siblings होते हैं, ऐसा फलाना ढिमकाना. I'm like, मैं भी इतने friend. You will not be like, I hardly have any friend from college now.
Yeah.
कभी थे college में भी इतने दोस्त नहीं थे. Plus arts, I'm an art student, तो लड़कों से भी कुछ दोस्ती थी नहीं.
Okay.
कुछ आए अपना boy, like अरे चलना ये वो, we had that kind of, नहीं लड़कियां ही थी. And friends भी एकदम limited. All my friends are married. So बहुत limited है. But I always feel that maybe there is a journey that God has planned for me, and I'm just walking on that path. But that does not mean, let me tell just one thing. Please do not think that you're a failure. You failed in life if your life is not happening according to societal norms.
Yeah.
Please do not think that. अगर आपकी इस एज में शादी होनी है, नहीं हुई है, बिचारी कुंवारी रह गई. You don't want to have a baby, it is okay to not have a baby.
Yeah.
Just because your path is different, you don't become unlucky. Just because your path is different, you don't become a failure.
True.
These are the two things, please. Everyone's path is different. और लोगों को इतनी आदत हो गई ना वैसे ही चलना है. ये कोई आप पनीर कैसे भी बनाओ, इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऊपर नीचे भी करो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. पनीर की सब्जी कुछ भी बनाओ. In the end, you should be happy with what you have.
Yeah.
दूसरों को पसंद नहीं आ रही, it's okay. तुमने पनीर की सब्जी बनाई है, तुम खाओ, तुम एंजॉय करो. So please, I just can't tolerate all this कि भाई मेरे को ये मिला. On the contrary, I see कि अगर ऐसे सब जो सोसाइटी के हिसाब से चल रहा है, think that they are not that blessed because they are doing the exact same thing. There is no fun in their life.
Yeah.
So think कि तुम different हो, मजे लो.
But I really like to thank you, Ankita, for today. The session we didn't think about that we'll get so much talking, but yeah, it's really important for us to also discuss this important stuff. I will thank you from all three of our side, but I like to thank you and this initiative that we started of doing podcast. Please like our channel, like Ankita's page. We are going to give it in our description, and you are going to soon see every bits and parts of mental health through this podcast. We are available on YouTube. We are available on SoundCloud. We have Instagram. You can just follow us. Twitter. You can see us on Twitter, and just be readily there. And before it ends, I just want to thank Ankita for giving us time and effort for this podcast. It's
Thank
very
you so much for having me.